Shooting victims and their families responding to the suspect's first appearance in federal court. I'm Daniel Mudding.
And I'm Natasha Paloma. Patrick Crusius faces federal hate crime and firearm charges. KTSM 9 News reporter Stephanie Shields here with what the victims had to say.
Our cameras were not allowed inside the federal courtrooms, so we tried to catch up with defense attorneys as they went in and out of the courthouse. While they were limited with their answers to our questions following the suspect's court appearance, some family members of victims who died in the mass shooting shared their thoughts with us.
I'd rather not talk about the case at this time.
Crusius' defense attorneys, both on the state and federal level, declining to give much comment to media after his federal court appearance.
Our job is to protect your constitutional rights as well as that of the accused. We are going to do everything in our power to preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the United States of America.
Crusius pleaded not guilty to all federal charges, a 90-count indictment accusing him of targeting and killing Hispanic people. He entered court wearing a blue blazer, gray pants, and a tie, not a jail jumpsuit, although he was handcuffed. He was also privately transported to the courthouse rather than the public so-called perp walk. This not sitting well with families of the victims in the courtroom. That was the father of Javier Amir Rodriguez, the 15-year-old boy who died in the deadly August 3rd mass shooting, along with the 21 other victims. Another victim, Luis Calvillo, who survived the shooting but lost his father on August 3rd, says he does not agree with what he says is special treatment that the accused shooter is receiving. In a statement sent to us, Calvillo says, quote, "I hope he gets the punishment he deserves and we can all move on with our lives." U.S. Magistrate Judge Miguel Torres scheduled an arraignment for February 18th, but the judge granted the defense's request to waive that appearance. Crusius' team also filed a waiver of detention hearing, which would have been held to determine if he could be granted bond. The U.S. Attorney's Office says Crusius will remain in the U.S. Marshals Service custody. No further court dates have been scheduled in the federal court, but a separate status hearing set for tomorrow in state court has been canceled. The suspect faces a capital murder in that case. El Paso DA Jaime Esparza said they will seek the death penalty. Stephanie Shields, KTSM 9 News.